This is Mike from JT Fit Human Performance. Today we're going to show you real quick how to take your heart rate while exercising. Heart rate training is a great way to make sure that your intensity is high enough or actually low enough to make sure you're fitting into the right ranges for your goals. So we're going to tell you two spots. It's going to be your carotid artery in the neck as well as on the wrist on the lateral aspect. You can see here right on the outside. And what you want to do is you're going to use the first two fingers. You're going to apply light pressure to the vessel. You want to make sure you're not restricting blood flow. So pick mine up there. This one's a little more tricky, but you can get it pretty quick. So the key here is you're going to take a 15-second count. You can use your watch, and if you're using your watch and using your wrist, it's very easy. You can also do it here and look on the wall. But you're going to start your number at 0, not 1. You're going to go 0, 1, 2, all the way through 15. Once you get through there, you're going to multiply that number by 4, which is going to give you the beats per minute. And then you want to make sure that you're gauging that every 5-10 minutes until you get a good read on your body. So some basic heart rate percentage training. So you're going to take 220 minus your age, right? So if you're a 20-year-old male or female, very general, 200 beats per minute is going to be your max. So for general fitness, we want to have most people playing around on the 60 to 80% of that. So that's going to be right about 120 beats per minute to 60 beats per minute. Now, you can always push that heart rate a little higher based on your goals. So if you're trying to do heart rate, high intensity training, maybe getting up to the 80, 85. Once you get to about 90, it gets a little dicey up through there, but the higher the heart rate intensity, the less time you're going to spend there and the longer you're going to have to drop back down into those lower zones to allow adequate recovery. But for general, anybody looking for heart health, to get body fat loss, a great range is stay in the 60 to 80%. If you want to get a little spicy with it, you can up that and you can play a little bit above 80, kind of push the heart rate a little higher and then back it down off. So the biggest thing here is that most people have a break point of around 80% is where the body starts to kind of hit the fan. That's kind of what research has shown. So if you can dance that line, maybe that line can start to progress forward and you can not only improve your heart health, you can improve your aerobic capacity, and you can improve your muscular, the way the muscles can oxidize the oxygen and also buffer all the byproduct of that high hydrogen that is getting expelled once you do high intensity exercise. So this is Mike from JT Fit Human Performance. Make sure you follow us on YouTube. You can subscribe to our newsletters at jtfit.com/blog. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.